Hey guys, welcome to another Coinery video. In this video I'm going to show you a coin which I just got this afternoon, and by evening I listed it and within minutes it was gone. So this coin is American Eagle 1 ounce proof silver coin, and it is 1987 coin. Really beautiful coin. I really love this box. So yeah, that's this outer box, and then there is an inner box. It comes in velvet packaging, and as you can see, really beautiful box. And yeah, so that this coin was gone in like seconds. As soon as I put it up for sale, within a minute I think someone replied and they said they wanted it. So yeah, so if you look at it, let's have a look at coin first. So if you look on its observe, it is walking liberty, and it says its lettering is "In God We Trust." I'm not sure if you can see it. Yep. And then it gives the year 1987, and on reverse it is eagle with shield, and lettering which says United States of America, and then there is some small lettering here which translates to other it says out of many one. So yeah, and apart from that, 1 ounce silver, 1 ounce actually, 1 ounce silver, $1, United States of America. Oops, I was about to lose it. Yeah, and it was minted in US Mint San Francisco. As you can see, it's got S mark. So it is a really beautiful coin, and I'm really happy that it got snapped up pretty quick. So yeah, that is one of the coins, and that's the reason I'm making this video, because past few days I'm not making any videos because, to be honest, my desk is a mess. I work, this coinery project is not a massive project. It's just a project for me to kind of build up my collection as well, and yeah, by flipping coins and stuff. So yeah, it's not a big project, no big office or anything. It is just home office. I work from home, so during the day my office is kind of a mess, and at night usually that's the time when I record these videos for you guys. So I thought, in an emergency I should do it. Past few days has been hectic. We did a couple of sales, so yeah, that's why stuff is everywhere, so didn't get a chance to properly clear up my desk, and so that's why there are no more videos coming up. But with that said, yeah, that is a beautiful coin, and it's going up. So I thought, before it goes, I really show it to you guys, because it is a really beautiful coin. And with that, I got another coin. I think it is with Tower Mint. Yeah, it is United Kingdom's presidency coin. Is it that, or it is Europe? Yeah, United Kingdom silver proof coin, 25 ECU. I think it was just a what you call it, specimen coin by Tower Mint. That's how it's going to look like, euro is going to look like, or something like that. I don't have much info on this one. Actually, I need to research on this. But yeah, as you can see, yeah, it is. Yeah, a really unique coin. You don't find that many, but yeah, not one of my favorites, to be honest, but it is what it is. They sales listed on our website for sale as well, so in case you guys are interested in it. I think the best thing about this is that you don't find these kind of coins often. Usually, you know, you look at Britannia and all those coins, but nothing like this. So yeah, that was today's video. And yeah, if you would like to buy this coin, go ahead. You can find it listed on our website, and I'll be coming with more videos soon. So stay tuned. If you haven't liked or subscribed, please do. And if you have any info on this coin, I would love to hear your opinion. And I think I'd do more videos about you know, my sales and all that as well. I think that's an interesting topic as well, like how this project is going, and if it's helping me to start my collection or not. So I'd plan some more content for you guys soon. So yeah, let me know your thoughts, and if there is any improvements I need to make in my videos, in our websites and stuff like that, please feel free. Always love to hear feedback, and I always appreciate that too. So yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah, one more thing I actually wanted to talk about. I listed this on one of the Facebook groups actually for sale. So yeah, it was my first time listing something on Facebook, and yeah, I didn't have any, you know, past experience or stuff like that. And the group, I actually joined that group, I think 2-3 days ago, and that and I posted this, and there's a buyer as well, and that admin's like, do you know anyone who you have sold to? I said, on Facebook, I don't think so, I have made any sales. I'm a member of the Silver Forum. If you're not, I would highly recommend you guys to join that. That's an amazing place, and I did a couple of sales there, but still on Facebook I didn't have any sales or anything. So that was an you know, a unique experience where admin was trying to verify my details and all that. But yeah, overall I think that was something new for me, but it would be, yeah, awesome for you guys to join Silver Forum. I definitely prefer Silver Forum over anything else. So yeah, I think I'll make another video about Silver Forum as well, and introduce you guys how it's helping me and many other collectors, to be honest, to build their collections and to trade as well. So thank you very much for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.